Good news about Binance, potentially, and really good news for FTX customers, plus some more about the FOMC meeting coming up. But first, if you want to follow me on Twitter, it's at SirCryptoTips. I finally got the blue check mark today, and also check us down below for our CT Club where you get to see what we are buying during this accumulation phase we are loading up. Okay, so now we have a judge which is allowing Binance to continue operating as usual. US assets will not be frozen, all right? But here's the catch. Binance must file a list of business expenses. The judge also ordered Binance and SEC to reach an agreement to secure US assets. So pretty much what that means is the judge is like, hey, Binance and SEC, you guys come to an agreement, compromise a little bit, and then possibly we can move forward, and that means US assets will be fine. Now, if they don't come up with a compromise, yes, US assets may be in jeopardy. That means they might be frozen. So what have we been saying for the last, I don't know, since we started this channel? Take whatever coins off of exchanges that you don't want to be lost and put them onto your hardware wallet. If you want a hardware wallet, we have a Trezor down below, and you'll support this channel if you buy it from there. Also, some more damning evidence of who Gary Gensler really works for. Listen to what he said. 3/4 of the market is non-securities. It's just a commodity, a cash crypto. Now, that was before he became the commissioner of the SEC, and obviously the SEC is owned and run by, yes, you saw the last couple videos, the Federal Reserve. Next, we have Miles Doucette talking about how bad it is in the US. Now, I'm not trying to FUD this too much, okay? But you need to know what is happening right now. So right now, Hong Kong has legalized retail trading. Also, Europe has introduced a new MiCA framework. So they are getting a little more transparent, all right? UAE and UK are both pushing crypto hub narratives. Yes, I've been in the UAE, and they are definitely pushing that as well. A lot of crypto influencers over there right now. Probably a reason, and there's a lot of crypto startups happening in the UAE. A16Z opens a new London office. Coinbase, Gemini have launched international platforms because they know what is going to be happening to the US, and they need to hedge their bets. Russia's cyberbank is offering crypto trading. So the migration is upon us. That is very true. Let's go to the FOMC meeting, right? So the chances of a 25 basis point rate hike today, Wednesday, now stands at 5.8% after today's CPI announcement, which was the CPI now is at 4%, which is the lowest it's been since 2021. So obviously, you know, I call it the CP lie because it's not real inflation. Inflation's not going down. They're printing so much currency. He says, guess what? We're getting a rate pause tomorrow. So who knows what that's going to do to the market? I don't care. I'm so bullish on this space right now because a lot of people are really, really miserable. And you know what? You buy when there's blood on the streets, and you know that if you are a CT Club member. Okay, finally, we have a big move by Binance, okay? Binance US adds former SEC enforcement co-director to its legal team. Smart move. They are trying their best to deal with the SEC. I don't know how long they're going to put up with their crap for, but they are trying their best right now. So anyways, in the meantime, keep your coins off exchanges and get yourself a Trezor down below. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.